Okay, we will be covering topic 1, which is basic numbers, basic mathematics. I have a scanned copy of Redspot for this topic 1, and let's start. So this is topic number 1. We'll try to solve maximum questions. Simple question, evaluate, take the LCM. LCM of 9 and 2 is 18. 18 by 2 is 9, 1 times 9, 18 by 9 is 2, 2 times is 4, 9 and 4 is 13 by 18. So this is your answer. Then 2 by 3, change the sign into multiplication. This becomes 9 by 11, and we do not have anything which cuts. So 2 into 11 is 22, 9 3 times is 27. So that's your answer. Evaluate the mass rule. So 10 minus 8 divided by 2 first is 4 plus 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 20% of 60. So 20% of 60. Get rid of these zeros. 2 6 times is 12. Evaluate this. So 2 into 6 is basically 12, and we have 1 2 and 3 zeros. So 1 2 3 zeros. This becomes 0.012. 3 divided by 0.01. So I'm writing it like this first. Then 3 into 100 by 1. So that's a 300. And this is 27 raised to power 1 by 3 is cube root of 27. So that's directly 3. You should know few basic square roots, cube roots, squares and cubes. Try to memorize up to 20. Question 11, 52.3 into 10 is 523 minus 3.76 into 100 is 376. So 523 minus 376. You take 1 carry. This is 13, 6 6 12, 1 13, 7, 4 1 7 8 9 10 11 and 187. The mass rule again. So 20 minus 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 1. 20 minus 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Express 18% as a fraction in its lowest term. So this goes with 2. So 9 by 50. Write down an irrational number between 3 and 4. Irrational number is either pi or a non-perfect square. So if I take square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16. So write any number between them but with an under root. Evaluate 2 by 3 plus this. So LCM again, 30. 20 plus 9. Excuse me. Is 29 by 30. Mixed number 5 1 times 5 6 7 8. 8 by 5 into 1 by 3 is 8 by 15. Write down square number that is factor of 75. Okay, square number. So square of 1, square of 2, square of 3, square of 4, square of 5, 25. So it is a square number and it is factor of 75 as well. A cube number that is a multiple of 24. Now you have to be a little bit careful with this. It has to be a cube number which is also a multiple of 24. So that means if we place a cube number here, we'll be able to divide it with 24. So I'm just going to check what actually 24 could be split into. So 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times, 3 1 times. So actually in the denominator we have 2 cube into 3. So if there is a cube number in the numerator, it must have minimum of 3 2's so they can go through it, and one 3 at least, but it is a cube number, so definitely this would be a cube. So that's 3 square left, whatever is left, but it is divided by 24. So the number actually is 2 cube into 3 cube. 3 cube is 27, 27 into 8. 7 8 times 56, 5 8 2 is 16, 17 18 19 20 21. So 216. 216 is the cube number, which is also a multiple of 24. Question 15. An instrument is used to measure the height of an object above the sea level. The height in meters is shown on the dial. What is the reading on the dial? So it is between 16 and 32, and we can see that this is 16, half of it is 8, so this becomes minus 24. The object moves from position A, where the dial reads minus 54, to B, where the dial reads plus 48. What is the difference? So greater value minus smaller value, 48 plus 54. I always find it easy when I write it this way. So 2 1 5 4 9 1 10. So the reading is 102. The mass rule, evaluate this. So 12 6 by 2 is 3 minus 8. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Multiplication again. So 26 into 2 would be 52, and there's 1 and 2 decimals, so 0.52. LCM. LCM is 24, 8 2 times 16, 3 3 times 9, so 7 by 24 is the fraction. Next number into a number, 4 1 times 4, 5 6 7, 7 by 4 times 2 by 9, 2 1 times 2 2 times, so 7 1 time is 7, 2 9 time is 18, so this is 7 by 80. Express 108 as a product of its prime factors. There you go. 2 54, 2 27, 3 9, 3 3 3 1. So this is 2 square times 3 cube. 6. B part, a cube number, so write any cube number. 2 cube is 8. An irrational number, any square root of non-perfect square. Okay, express 72 as a fraction in its lowest term. So 72 by 100 divided by 2 is 36 by 50, divided by 2 again is 18 by 25. So they don't go through each other. Write down two fractions that are equivalent to 0.4. So 0.4 is actually 4 by 10. So you can write 4 by 10, you can write 2 by 5, or multiply them with 3. So 2 3 times is 6, 5 3 times 15, so any of them. So let me choose these two for now. They are equal to 0.4. 28. LCM again, 8 2 times is 16, 5 3 times is 15, and 8 5s are 40. So 31 by 40 is your answer. Evaluate this. 3 1 times 3, 4 5 by 3 times 4 to the 8, 1 9 by 4. So 3 1 times, 3 3 times, 5 3 times 15 by 4 as fraction, and 4 3 times 12, 13 14 15. The mass rule again. 6 3 times is 18. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 22. Evaluate. 5 3 times 15, 16, 17 by 5 minus 6 2 times 12, 13 14 15 16 17 by 6, and we cross multiply, we get 30 as LCM, and this is actually 17 into 6 minus 17 into 5 So I'm taking out 17 as common, and I'm left with 6 minus 5 over 30. That is 17 by 30. 2 by 3 divided by 4 3 times 12, 13, 14, 15 by 4. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 15 is 8 by 45. 45. Evaluate. Multiply first. So 0.7, 2, 3 times is 6, and 1 and 2 decimal places, so 0.06. So when you add them, you get 0.76. Those who don't know, just write the decimal below the decimal number and you get your answer. Evaluate this. Okay, multiplying with 100 on both sides, numerator and denominator, so this becomes 90 over 6. You cancel them with 3 2 times, 3 90, 30 by 2 is 15. Okay, arrange these lengths in order of size starting with the smallest. So convert them all in same unit. If this is millimeters, this becomes 2200 millimeters. This is kilometers. Okay, 0.021 kilometer into 1000 becomes meter. This is 21 meter now. So into 100 again, this is centimeters, and this, so 21,000 millimeters. 2.25 meters, 2.25 meter into 100, 225 centimeters, another 0, 2250 makes it a millimeter. Now 2200 is the smallest value, so I write this first, 220 centimeters, and we can see this is the largest one, so 0.021 kilometers, and then 2250 and 2300, so 2300 millimeters, and 2 whole 1 by 4 meters. Evaluate this. 8, 13 into 2 is 26, but there's a decimal, so 2.6. 8, 9, 10, this is 10.6. Express 0.06 as a fraction, giving your answer in its lowest term. So that is 6 by 100, 3 by 50. Cannot simplify it further. Let's try one more question. So okay, first let's convert this. This is 2 by 3, 4 2 times 8, 1 9 by 4. So 2 4 2 times is 8, 9 3 times is 27, 3 4 times is 12. So this is 35 by 12. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, 3 raised to power 1 is 3, so that's 4. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Hope this helps.